welcome back to my channel. And today is we're here at the Marina Bay, Singapore. I'm with my amiga Zelda Park.
Hello amigos and amigas! Welcome to Leia's vlog.
So we're ready to check in. We're at the Tower 3 in Marina Bay Sands. So watch out my amigos and amigas because we're gonna tour around to our room. My amigos and amigas, it's located in the Tower 1. Of course, thanks to my friend Zelda.
Yes, of course, you're very welcome, friend. We deserve this.
Yeah, according to Zelda, we deserve it. She's right, we deserve it. In our room in the 34th floor. So I'm so amazed because it's a separate lighting. We just click the main bathroom light controls and also the bathroom mirror all have lights. So let's explore the bathroom, my amigos and amigas. Come. So this one, what do you call this one?
It's called bathtub.
Bathtub, according to my friend, because I'm not familiar. And also two separate. See, you can wash your hand there. And also, it's very luxurious, my amigos. And it means this one's for glasses. And a soap for hand soap. So it's really nice. According to the receptionist, my amigos and amigas, this one is a deluxe room. So, and also the shower. Got separate shower. See? Toilet. See? And also, they have a phone. So amazing. And the other one is shower. See, it's very nice, right? So let's go we tour to our bedroom, me and my friend Zelda. And we suggest to the receptionist two separate bedrooms. So here's mine because I want the view in the ocean or the sea there, and for my friend Zelda. So here comes. So this one, I don't know how to open it yet. So we're just gonna explore it later. There's a view there. You can see the gardens by the bay, the iconic landmark of it, and also some of the ships. It's very nice view. Later, my amigos and amigas, let's explore the balcony. So nice view because we prefer a garden view and a very top room. So I'm gonna show you the closet, my amigos and amigas. It's all complete with a blanket, extra blanket if you have a visitor, and also hanger. And this one is for the clothes, they dry it, and also iron. So complete setup. So and also this one, I think you can call this a vault for your valuable item. Also this one, see, a pouch too, anything that you can put on. And here, for the laundry, for the dirty clothes. If you will stay here for at least 1 week, just 3 days like that. So and also my amigos and amigas, it's a slipper they give us. So let's tour again, my amigos and amigas, because I forgot to show you something. What do you mean by complimentary, my amigos and amigas? They said complimentary is free, right? My friend is very funny. He said, "Huwag kang iinom dyan, ah." Sinabi ng friend ko that said complimentary is free. So in the complimentary, this one is included a mini fridge, by the way, my amigos and amigas. So it's all free, and it's included already some drinks. Sprite, water, and some juice, apple juice, and another water there. So it's a complimentary too. And if you're a coffee lover, is this one you can make your own coffee. This one you just put here, and also coffee cream made. And The boy, the one who take our bag, the curtain is automatic, so it's just going to press here. And the view is so amazingly beautiful. See? This one, we choose this kind of room because of this view. Me and my friend wants to relax a bit from our work. So, here it is. I hope you will be inspired going here, showing you the view and the room. Here, a lot of it already, my amigos and amigas. So here, it's very beautiful. So there's the phone here in our bedside table, you can call it. And there's a light. You can just press here, night light, headboard, or bedroom. This one, master. Yeah, it's on and off.
No, please turn on the lights.
Headboard. Yeah, that one you can just...
Amigos and amigas! What are you? I'm ironing my clothes. Because
Yeah.
it's not so well.
Yeah. So Zelda is fixing her clothes because later on we will do a little bit surprises, okay? So watch out again, my amigos and amigas, our vlog in Marina Bay Sands, Singapore. It's a dream come true, by the way. I'm so thankful to my friend Joy. Shout out to you, Joy. And Moko, shout out to you. Thank you very much for encouraging me and my friend.
A few inches later.
Hi, my amigos and amigas. This is Joy, by the way. She's behind the We Pursue Our MBS with my friend Zelda.
I'm the promoter of the staycation of the two blogger
Yeah.
friends, and I'm glad that they really push it and they're really excited for the experience.
So Joy's the one. She's the key player because we pushed through it.
Yes, push the button.
I have a guest here, my two good friends, Joy and Mikey.
Amigo, amiga.
Hi, amigos!
This is our room. Don't forget to try the bubble bathtub as we will be doing right now. So first, buy something, a seaweed bubble bath shower gel. You can buy it in Guardian or in Sephora. For us, me and my friend buy it in Sephora. It only costs $21 because here in MBS they don't have bubble bath. They only have a shower gel. It's just off. And you just fill this bathtub with water. And let's do it. Put some seaweed bubble bath. So for me, because this is the last one, I will just pour it off. You will see later, my amigos and my amigas, because I will dig in here. Then, by using your hand, you should move the water.
A few inches later.
So done already, my amigos and amigas. Having a bathtub there in the toilet. I cannot let you see it because it's so censored and it's up for guys and see. So it's kind of relaxing and comforting to your body, mind, and soul. Of course, additionally, I put a mask in my face. It's very refreshing because work. So time to relax yourself for a while. And it's a complimentary too. And Marina Bay Sands, Singapore, they provide you with robe. See, this one. Okay, so if you're gonna check in staycation here in Marina Bay Sands, do try the bathtub, and do try wearing a bathrobe, because for a while try to be rich even for a one night. Okay, thank you for watching, my amigos and amigas.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side.